Start out with probably one of the more common mistakes when it comes to nutrition is taking in too few calories. Of course, this applies more to bodybuilders or fitness or athletes that are trying to lose body fat. And their zeal to lose body fat, a lot of people will cut the calories too much. This tends to happen, quite frankly, more in women than men. Women often go on starvation diets. What's a starvation diet? Well, if you figure out your basal metabolic rate, that's your resting metabolic rate, usually it comes out in a full-grown man. It's usually around maybe 1,100, 1,200 calories. That means that's the minimal amount of calories it takes to keep you alive, to keep your body going. So if you go, here's the problem though, if you go too far, in a woman it would probably be about 1,900 calories. I'm just guessing, basal metabolic calorie rate. But the point is, if you go too far below your basal metabolic calorie rate, there's a danger of losing lean mass and also a danger of turning off your metabolism completely, because the body reacts to too few calories as a starvation. The body has systems. It's almost like a computer. Your body has kind of backup systems, redundant systems to keep you going in spite of yourself. So, for example, if you take in too few calories, the body will take your active thyroid hormone. There's actually two of them, T4 and T3. T4 is basically a pro-hormone that's converted by enzymes in the liver into the more active T3 form, which is 5 times more metabolically active than T4. So after about maybe 3 weeks of taking in too few calories, your body interprets this as starvation, and it doesn't want to let you lose your lean mass, muscle, because when you start to lose muscle, you're getting in big trouble from a health point of view. So what it will do is it'll convert the active T3 thyroid hormone into reverse T3, which is basically inactive. It's a metabolically inert form of thyroid. Basically what it's doing is, to put it simply, it's turning off your metabolism so you don't burn up your own body protein. Not only that, but when that happens, of course, the fat loss rate slows down considerably. This happens not only to bodybuilders and athletes, but it involves anyone who follows a diet that too overly restricts caloric intake. It's known popularly as the dieting plateau, where you go on a diet and, about 3 or 4 weeks into the diet, you suddenly stop losing weight. The scales don't change. What's happening is you've gone into this